Joyous Jubilation journeys around Jamaica as band Bad Boy Bully Beef has just been unbanned. Good evening and welcome online and on air to Surplus News. This is Malik Engeng with your news report. We go live to the press conference already in progress.
Mr. Bully, you've been freed of all charges. What do you have to say to your fans?
Yeah, you know what I mean? I just want to say give thanks to all of the people for all the love and support who support Bully Beef through all of the struggles where Bully Beef got through when Bully Beef was incarcerated. You know what I mean? Just say thanks and big up and much love to all of the people who support Bully Beef. You know what I mean? My day one people you know what I mean, who support Bully Beef. And all the people who really throw me around at back at the storeroom them and the warehouse them and situate them incarcerated. I don't want no bad feelings, you know what I mean? You know, dead and sister Bully Beef not do evil. Bully Beef are good people. We do good for the people, you know what I mean? I just want to say big up to all of my girl them. You know what I mean? Baked bean, my day one, I always support me through the struggle them. Cabbage, you know what I mean? Just keep it wrap up tight. My soul come link you. Bread, you don't know, we so sandwich up the thing again. And all I'm breading them like green banana dumpling. My soul link you know. Zen, yeah. I say all you mackerel. Think I chatting so I see you. I try to take over my business. Yeah man, the thing I know, man them tell me. I pray you mackerel me, I pray you. Out.
Babylon's a jail for me. Beg the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, Jack control me destiny.
Say we never gonna jail again, oh no. And we never gonna fail again, oh no. Like a ship we are gonna sail again, oh. You don't never hear me call me friend to bail again. Nah, see me a courthouse no more, oh no. No bracelet up in the house no more, oh no. Step out and hold me one for sure, oh. We hustlers gonna get fully galore.
A fool to ever leave your side. Be minus you was such a lonely ride. The breakup we had has made me lonesome and sad. I realize I love you cause I want you back. Hey, hey. Rebeef United and it feels so good. Rebeef United cause we are